Good morning from the toy room. It is a beautiful Tuesday morning here in Tucson, Arizona. We're going to be heading back out to that shed foundation driveway job. It didn't go nearly as well as we'd hoped for yesterday, so we are behind. But there's always time to catch up, and there's plenty of time before the pour, so I'm not too worried about it. We're going to be picking up that excavator at Sun State Rentals today. We're going to be basically loosening all the dirt up in the driveway, so it just needs to be moved. That way Brett can pile it into the trailer and we can dump it where it goes. And then with a little luck, I'll hopefully get started on digging that footing for the shed slab as well. We'll see how it goes. Other than that, it's full speed ahead. You'll be coming right along with me today, so we will see you again once we get to Sun State Rentals. Alright, see you then. We're here at the rental place and getting a little mini excavator right now. So, as soon as Brett gets here, he's going to load up. I'm going to make sure he's got all of his safety stuff down. Make sure he knows how to load the equipment properly without getting hurt. And then we're going to be on our way to the job site. Alright, Brett. So I figure if you're a operator, it's good for you to, we'll just make sure you know how to load the equipment and everything, and how to strap it down and all that kind of good stuff, you know. So how do you like to load these?
Never loaded one of these.
No?
No, but I assume just stay on these ramps and you'll be alright.
Yeah. Like with my brother always just drives them on. Nothing fancy. That's the way you should do it, I'm pretty sure. Some guys like to turn around and put their bucket down and back up slow and do all these crazy things, you know. But the only thing you got to look at is when you come up, you're going to have a tipping point.
Right.
You know, just don't overreact. You know? That's it. You could, but you don't even have to. Just when you come to the tipping point, let it tip. My brother doesn't even slow down. He just comes up and goes bang, boom.
Yeah.
I don't. I'm a little more skittish than that, but hey, Matt, same thing as always. Never stand next to it. If you get a ramp collapse or anything like that, yeah. Easy peasy. Bring her all the way up. Now you're going to spin her around. You're going to put the bucket right between the ramps.
Is it wide enough to spin?
Just turn right around, yep. No, I mean, just
okay. I was like, okay.
Just the cab, not the... Yeah, try to get this straight again. Bring the front over this way just a little bit. Alright, now you spin your cab around. It's gonna be one of these. It's gonna be, yeah, there you go. Alright. Let me get these ramps up and then you can put it right between them. You're gonna be clicking all of it. Keep doing that. You make a last clicking noise. How are we looking on the tires here? You got a low tire. Here, lift it up just a little bit. Let's take you this way just a hair. So pull backward on your stick.
Go forward or back?
Yeah, so pull back on them to go forward now. Yep. Oh no, we'll be back. go back to this back one? Yeah, I think so. The other thing, we're gonna hit the track. We may need to pull this thing ahead, huh? This whole thing works. Here, let's put her in the middle. We'll put her in the middle. Put this up in the middle here. Here, just turn that.
I don't know if this is about frame. Yeah.
Oh, I'll get them right off. Let's see, that's pretty short strap. Can you just hook on your chain right there?
You can't twist. You try to twist this way, it comes back. Try to twist the other way, it comes back. Yeah.
If it falls off, just catch it, okay?
I'll catch you with my windshield.
It's kind of,
Yeah. Was it engine block?
Yeah. All right, the key in this thing, is it gonna has it any potential for falling out or anything? You got a big fob on it or something? Hey, thank you. Good job. Alright, let's rock and roll. Rock and roll, man. Alright, so that's how you load a excavator at Blood, Sweat, and Tears Concrete. Let us know how you do it.
Just running up the ramp.
Let us know. Let us know how we did it wrong and how you would do it different.
Do a wheelie.
'Cause I'm sure we did. Somebody. how it's done. Alright, let's do some digging. Alright, I'm just running to get some AB. I got the dump trailer hooked up, and I'm gonna go to Pioneer again just because I like their AB so much. But I'm gonna negotiate, see if I can get a better deal on it. They got such a ridiculous price there yesterday that, I mean, I don't mind paying twice as much as Vulcan for twice as good as AB, but when I gotta pay 3 times as much for twice as good as AB, this thing's getting to be too much. Alright, let's check them out. Alright, so here we are at Pioneer. We get some AB. I just negotiated with the guy and he got contractor pricing for me, so that's a little bit better. Paid $215 for the load yesterday. It's gonna be $138 today. So I like that. A lot better. It's a big old loader, boy. Little tiny bucket on a big old loader. We got a lot of different things here. We just stockpile in this yard. And then sell to the public. And this guy got some landscaping rocks over here. Cool. Next door, that's the block place. They sell lots, pavers, and fence block. All different colors. You can see the Catalina Mountains from here. Kind of pretty. I know you're not seeing much on this phone, or on this camera, but it's pretty cool. Oh, I got another phone call. Do I take the phone call now? Or do I hit the AB first? Alright, back at the job site. Guys are coming right along in this bay. Get everything to 6 inches. There's a crap load of material to move here. Should have had a bigger skid loader, huh?
Yeah. It's a bigger bucket.
Do I need to come back with the tractor there, Chief? I don't mind. Okay, I'll be right back.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I know George Jones and Gary Sturt, and all them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe. One ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through them like a cigarette, or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give them good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk
The fun
star.
seems nearly endless today. It's just wonderful. Look at all the piles of dirt we're coming up with here. My hairbrain had to go and design a waterway to make the water flow. Costing us a lot of time and dirt, but it'll be a lot better in the end. I get another skid loader coming tomorrow, and we'll get it out of here. I'm not too worried about it. It'll all work out. Let's dig. Let's do a little digging. Can you do anything with that, or is that too close? You gonna go in the back first, or are you gonna load from the back or just the side? Hey Maddie, it's only faster if you do it faster than that. I can't take a half hour to unload the trailer and still be faster. Maybe a little bit, but not much. We gotta see some progress here pretty soon, boys. I'm starting to lose patience.
Progress?
Yeah, I need to see some forms that are around here, you know?
That's for victory. Just kidding.
Alright. I'm being honest. I'm being dead serious now. We need to see progress. I'm not joking. I'm not. No, I'm saying. Stop doing that though.
Well, I'm doing the form.
I know, but lay the forms all the way out here. Just start seeing progress. It's gonna be awesome. It's for your morale, not mine.
I was doing the form over there.
Here, don't do the form over there. Okay. Get the forms laid out right here, and just like I told you, like I said, I said get this form in and get all these forms set. Boom. We're done. Afternoon break. See, my favorite day is a 6:30 to 5 day. You know, you can really sink your teeth into a day like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We want to take a break.
Another one. Another one. Break it home.
You guys, and you want to go home all the time. Where's the camaraderie?
Well, these guys are all right, but I can't work out here in my boxers, you know. You could.
I don't know. Damn near. Look at that. You got to spun the shade and you're still complaining. Look at this guy. So, are we taking a break or what? Because it doesn't seem very breaky to me. This is all the break
You're the boss. If we got a break, then we got a break.
If I was going to take a break, I surely wouldn't be doing it like this.
Do that off, guys, and take a break. Ain't no break. I gotta show progress.
You already have. Look at that. There's a form sitting there. It already feels better around here.
In like 10 minutes from when you called me last time, there would have been a form.
It feels much better now. You can't set that in though, buddy. We gotta be able to drive a skid loader in there.
I didn't know that.
Got a lot of dirt. I'm gonna grab a bobcat and I'm gonna go move that pile, clear out some more, see if more will dump.
Okay.
Because you got a lot of dirt.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how much dirt I had to make it bigger.
Yeah. No, it's surprising me.
It's expensive.
It just keeps growing.
Yeah. So I'm gonna grab that bobcat and start moving that pile. I can get by here, right?
Yeah, you should be able to. I'm gonna be scooting up in here so you can be able to come right behind me.
Pardon?
I'm gonna scoot up in here so you can come right behind me. So. Feeling, Brett? You're looking pretty chipper.
Great.
See, Brett doesn't mind working late. He doesn't want to go home. You don't mind working late because you don't want to go home, right? I mean... Get a little better space.
You guys leave, I'll move that dirt.
Okay. Well, no, you don't have to. We're good.
It's fun. It's fun. I'm going to have to put that shit back over there. So that pile and that pile can go?
Yeah. Okay. Do you, is it alright if I leave this trailer right here?
Yeah, you got the backyard. Okay. I've got everything I need up
As long as you don't need that trailer back there for anything.
No, that's a storage trailer with a car in there that's half built. Okay. So, like I said, I don't need anything on this side of the garage. Anything I can just grab by hand. I got my truck. My old truck I'm not worried about right now.
Okay.
I'll fight with the state to get my plate transferred to that truck.
Okay.
They won't let you do veterans on business no more.
No chance, huh?
I don't fight with them on it.
Yeah.
So, but I got everything I need, so I'll be good to go.
Yeah.
But yeah, when you guys leave, I'll jump on the tractor.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you have fun with it, but don't do it.
No, I'm more than happy to do it.
All right. Hey everybody, we made it through another day. Yay! Even I'm ready to go home today. So this dirt is piling up big time, and even though Ron said he was gonna try to get it out of here for us this evening, that machine that he was driving was just a rental, and I just seen the rental company pull up. So he will not be moving that dirt, but no fear. We have got Martin coming, and he's going to be running the bigger skid loader, and we are going to get that dirt out of here tomorrow. Casey will be here the following day. He's going to be setting forms and fine graining with us, and we will be all on schedule by 4 days. So it's all covered. We got the manpower in place, and it's going to happen. Alright, well, hope to see you on the next one. Make sure you hit that like button down below. It's supposed to help with the algorithm or something, they say. And can't wait to see you again. If you can't be good, at least be good at it. Alright, you all have a great one, and we'll see you next time.
Well, the folks gathered around, they all look the same. They know my train, but can't remember my name. Ain't nobody listening, and that suits me just fine.